All right, online students, let's refresh this. Okay, so if you're watching this video, you are on the virtual learning instructions right now, which is great. That's what you're supposed to do. So what you're going to do today is you are going to complete the attendance post, and then you will complete annotated maps. Okay, so this is our first assignment of quarter 3. So what is annotated map, you might say? Well, if you click on it, well, actually, let's talk about the attendance post real quick. So for this class, to show me that you are, doing the work and you're attending class, what I want you to do is to look at the attendance post, and I want you to submit a response to it, right? So it's a discussion post. It says, have you ever seen or felt an earthquake or tsunami on a video or in real life before, right? So you submit a response to that. Okay, so then there's also a nice to-do list as well, right, that you just look at, and then you know what to do. Okay, so let's talk about our assignment. So in our assignment, if you click on it, there will be a PDF of it. It looks like this. What you want to do is to send it to your Notability. So I'm going to send it there, blah, blah, blah. Yes, it's integrated science. Bam. Open a note. Okay, so it looks like this. Okay, so this video will allow you to, I'll tell you what to do. Okay, so folks, what I'd like for you to do is to read the instructions, right? So if you read the instruction, it says to look at the 3 maps, and our goal is to make a story, all right, to understand how earthquakes and volcanoes and tsunamis occur on Earth, how they're related. Okay, so that's the question here. Okay, so it says specifically to circle and or highlight any important information or details that could tell the story about how earthquakes, volcanoes, or tsunamis occur on Earth. And it wants you to look for patterns. Okay, so that's the key idea here, is what are some patterns that we're seeing. So if you look at the first map here, this is clearly about earthquakes. The second one is about volcanoes, and the third one is about tsunamis. So let's do this first one together, and then I'm gonna let you do the rest of it. Okay, so what is annotation, right? Annotation is just making notes on what you're looking at. Okay, so first let's take a look at this. Okay, so these little colors are telling us how strong the earthquake is, right? So 9 is the strongest one, and 6.5 is the weakest one, okay? At least in this picture. All right, so what you want to do is to read some of these descriptions here. So it says, the Haiti earthquake occurred only 6 miles below Earth, and its shallow epicenter caused extensive damage on the surface. Okay, so the magnitude of this is about 7, and look at that, it killed a bunch of people. Wow, killed 316,000 people, right? That killed a lot of people. Okay, and the location is Haiti. Okay. All right, so that's what annotation is. We're making notes. Not super powerful, right? So not super powerful, but death toll, right? Death toll is 316,000, and so it hurt a lot of people. Okay, so let's look at another one here, number 2. Okay, so we'll look at this one is in Indonesia. Okay, Indonesia, the number is 230. Okay, the 2004 earthquake off the coast of Indonesia triggered the Boxing Day tsunami that was responsible for its disaster death. Okay. Wow, okay. Alright, this is really interesting. Okay, so this number is super high. Okay, so if we look at the one in Japan, okay, let's look at this one. It's also super high as well. But it only killed 20,000 people, so, well, maybe relative to the population as well in Japan. Right, so is 20,000 a big number? I'm not super sure. Okay, in the aftermath of the Fukushima disaster caused by the Honshu earthquake, uranium prices dropped 60% in the next few years. Okay, so is there some kind of pattern here? So it looks like, Okay, so let's look at this one. This one's also very high as well, but not as high as this one, right? So the earthquake, okay, so it looks like the, let's type here, let's see if I can type. Looks like the amount of damage an earthquake might depend on where it occurs below Earth's surface. So like what I mean by that is like maybe if it's really shallow, then it can't hurt as much people. Okay. All right, so that's the idea here. So what you want to do is, right, so I would actually take this and put it down here, actually. And you want to look at volcanoes and tsunami as well. And once you do that, then you should be good, and you should be able to submit this assignment back to me. All right, thank you. Bye.